Hey there, amazing viewers! Welcome back to Wonderful Relationship, the go-to spot for unraveling the secrets of attraction. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have asked about: how to make her chase you. Before we unveil these game-changing strategies, make sure to hit the like button, comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more relationship insights. Now, let's dive into the art of becoming catnip for attraction and making her chase you. Segment 1. Cultivate an intriguing persona. First things first, cultivate an intriguing persona. Be someone with depth, interests, and passions. Whether it's an exciting hobby, an adventurous spirit, or a captivating skill. Having layers to your personality makes you magnetic and leaves her wanting to explore more. Segment 2. Keep a hint of mystery. Mystery is the spice of attraction. Don't lay all your cards on the table immediately. Keep a hint of mystery around you. This doesn't mean being aloof, but rather, gradually revealing aspects of your life and personality. It keeps her intrigued and invested in discovering more. Segment 3. Be confident, not arrogant. Confidence is attractive, but arrogance is not. Strive for a healthy balance. Be self-assured without crossing into arrogance. Showcasing confidence in your abilities and decisions makes you someone she wants to follow, creating the perfect conditions for her to start chasing. Segment 4. Master the art of playful teasing. Playful teasing injects fun into your interactions. It's a light-hearted way to create a dynamic where she feels the urge to keep up with your banter. Keep it light, respectful, and focused on shared humor. This creates a playful environment she'll want to engage with. Segment 5. Be unpredictable. Predictability is the enemy of excitement. Inject spontaneity and unpredictability into your interactions. Surprise her with unexpected plans, gestures, or even a sudden change in routine. Keeping her guessing ensures she stays on her toes, eagerly anticipating your next move. Segment 6. Maintain a rich social life. An active social life is a powerful attractant. Surround yourself with friends, engage in social activities, and let her see that you have a vibrant life beyond her. It not only makes you more appealing, but also creates a sense of scarcity, sparking her desire to be a part of your exciting world. Segment 7. Exhibit independence. Independence is sexy. Show that you have a life outside the relationship, personal goals, friendships, and pursuits. Demonstrating independence not only makes you attractive, but also triggers her desire to be a valued part of your life. Segment 8. Prioritize self-improvement. Continuous self-improvement is a magnetic force. Whether it's physical fitness, learning new skills, or expanding your knowledge, prioritizing personal growth makes you a dynamic individual. This, in turn, makes her want to keep up with your evolving self. Segment 9. Be supportive, not smothering. Support her dreams and aspirations, but avoid being smothering. Give her the space to pursue her goals while being a supportive presence. This balanced approach creates a healthy dynamic where she appreciates your encouragement without feeling suffocated. Segment 10. Trigger emotional investment. Trigger emotional investment by creating meaningful experiences. Shared adventures, deep conversations, and memorable moments forge a connection that goes beyond the surface. The emotional investment she makes in these experiences fuels her desire to chase after more. Segment 11. Engage in active listening. Active listening is a superpower. When she feels heard and understood, it deepens the connection. Make a conscious effort to engage in meaningful conversations, showing genuine interest in what she has to say. It fosters a bond that makes her crave more of your presence. Segment 12. Showcase your ambitions. Ambition is an attractive quality. Share your dreams and aspirations with her. Let her see that you're on a path of growth and accomplishment. It not only adds depth to your character, but also stirs her desire to be alongside someone with a vision for the future. Segment 13. Create healthy challenges. Healthy challenges keep things exciting. Whether it's a friendly competition or setting joint goals, creating challenges fosters a sense of camaraderie while igniting her competitive spirit. It's a playful way to make her want to keep up with you. Segment 14. Demonstrate emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is a key ingredient. Understanding and empathizing with her emotions creates a connection that transcends the superficial. It makes her feel seen and valued, nurturing a desire to chase the emotional intimacy you provide. Segment 15. Project Positive Energy. Positive energy is contagious. Project optimism and enthusiasm, not just about your life, but about the relationship too. A positive outlook creates an environment she wants to be a part of, sparking the desire to chase after the joy you bring. Segment 16. Be unapologetically authentic. Authenticity is magnetic. Be unapologetically yourself. Let her see the real you, quirks, imperfections, and all. When you embrace your authenticity, it creates a genuine connection that she'll naturally want to pursue. Segment 17. Build a strong network. A strong network adds to your allure. Surround yourself with a supportive community of friends and acquaintances. It not only showcases your social skills, but also makes her see the value others find in you, prompting her to want a more significant role in your life. Segment 18. Create shared goals. Shared goals build a sense of partnership. Whether it's planning a trip, a project, or even future aspirations, having shared goals creates a bond that propels her to actively contribute and chase after the shared vision. Segment 19. Balance affection and detachment. Striking a balance between affection and detachment is an art. Offer affection, but also know when to give her space. This dynamic keeps her yearning for the closeness you provide while appreciating the independence you allow. Segment 20. Lead with positivity. Lastly, lead with positivity. Approach challenges with optimism and cultivate an uplifting atmosphere. A positive leader attracts followers, and in this case, it makes her want to chase the positivity and joy you bring into her life. And there you have it, 20 irresistible ways to make her chase you. If you found these insights valuable, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more relationship wisdom. It's been a pleasure sharing these strategies with you. Until next time, keep being magnetic, and I'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell. Your support keeps this channel thriving. Stay tuned for more relationship insights. Until next time, take care and enjoy the journey of becoming irresistible.